welcome to our channel. We know that ours is a new channel, so that's why we are coming with a new initiative. From today onwards, we are going to post videos about the new concepts or burning concepts. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 2020 Nobel Prize winners and the history of Nobel. Friends, we know that Nobel Prize is the highest honorable award in the world. It was given as per the death will of Sir Alfred Bernard Nobel every year on December 10. On December 10, Sir Alfred Nobel was died, and December 10 is celebrated as World Human Rights Day. Nobel Prizes are given from 1901 in 5 categories that are peace, literature, physics, chemistry and medicine. Whereas in 1969, Nobel Prize is also given to economics. The first recipient of Nobel Prize in economics in 1969 is Ragnar Frisch and John Temberton. And at now, Nobel Prize is presented in 6 sectors. Now we have to discuss about the venue of Nobel Prizes. The venue of all Nobel Prizes except Peace Nobel Prize is same, that is Sweden capital Stockholm. Whereas Nobel Prize at Peace is given at Norway capital Oslo. And there are 5 institutions which select the Nobel Prize winners. We have to discuss about the institutions. For peace, Norwegian Parliament selects the winner of the Nobel Prize. For literature, Swedish Literature Academy selects the Nobel Prize winner. For physics and chemistry, Royal Swedish Academy of Sciences selects the Nobel Prize winners. In medicine, Karoline Merkel Institute selects the Nobel Prize winner. In economics, Bank of Sweden selects the Nobel Prize winners. We have to discuss about the records of Nobel Prize. The first recipients of Nobel Prize in Peace is Henri Dunant from Switzerland and Patrick Passy from France. They togetherly received this award in 1901. And the first recipient of Nobel Prize in Literature is Sully Frodrumi. He belongs to France. He receives this award in 1901. The first recipient of Nobel Prize in Physics is Wilhelm Conrad Rontgen. He belongs to Germany and he receives this award in 1901. And the first recipient of Nobel Prize in Chemistry is Hendrikus van 't Hoff. He belongs to Netherlands. He receives this award in 1901. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Medicine is Adolf von Behring. He also belongs to Germany. He receives this award in 1901. The first person to receive Nobel Prize in Economics is Ragnar Frisch from Norway and John Temberton from Netherlands. They togetherly received this award in 1969. Now we discuss about some more other bits regarding Nobel Prizes. The first woman to receive the Nobel Prize is Madame Curie or Madame Marie Curie. The first Muslim woman to receive this award is Shireen Ebadi. He received this award in Peace in 2003. And the first African woman to receive this Nobel Prize is Wangari Maathai. She was a Kenyan woman. She receives this award in 2011. Majority of people who won Nobel Prize belongs to America. The one and only institution which awarded Nobel Prize 3 times is Red Cross. It receives this award in 1917, 1944 and in 1963. And the oldest woman to receive Nobel Prize in Economics is Doran Lessing. She receives Nobel Prize in Peace when she was 88 in 2007. The youngest woman to receive Nobel Prize is Malala Yousafzai. She is a Pakistan woman. She receives Nobel Prize in Peace in 2014. when she receives the award, her age is 17 years. Now we discuss about the persons who receives Nobel Prizes twice. Marie Curie receives Nobel Prize twice, in physics in 1903 and chemistry in 1911. Linus Pauling, he was also receives Nobel Prize twice. In 1954 he receives Nobel Prize for chemistry, and in 1962 he receives Nobel Prize for promotion of peace, or he receives Nobel Prize in peace. John Button receives Nobel Prize in 1956 and in 1972 in physics. Friedrich Sanger receives Nobel Prize in chemistry twice, in 1958 and in 1980. UNHCR, United Nations High Commission for Refugees, receives Nobel Prize twice in peace, in 1954 and in 1981. These are the important bits regarding Nobel Prize. Now we have to discuss about Nobel Prize and India. The first Indian to receive Nobel Prize is Sir Rabindranath Tagore. He receives Nobel Prize in 1913 for his book Gitanjali. He was the writer of our national anthem and as well as national anthem of Bangladesh also. He was not only the first Indian but also he was the first Asian to receive the Nobel Prize in literature, and the first person to receive Nobel Prize in physics from India is C.V. Raman. He receives Nobel Prize in 1930 in physics for his invention Raman effect. He was the first black to receive Nobel Prize in science. The first Indian woman to win Nobel Prize is Mother Teresa. She won Nobel Prize in Peace in 1979. Amartya Sen was the first Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Economics. He receives Nobel Prize in 1998 for his researches on welfare economics. Kailash Satyarthi also won the Nobel Prize in Peace in 2014, and he was the second Indian to receive Nobel Prize in Peace, whereas he was the first Indian born person to receive Nobel Prize. Now we have to discuss about Nobel Prize winners in 2020. In 2020, Peace Prize was won by World Food Programme. It was established in 1961, whereas it starts working from 1963. Its headquarters is situated at Rome of Italy. Nobel Prize in Literature 2020 was won by Louise Gluck. She was an American poet. She received this award for her book The Wild Iris. Nobel Prize in Physics in 2020 is given in two parts. The first part is won by Andrea Ghez from America and Reinhard Genzel for the achievement for pioneering the research on the Milky Way's supermassive black hole, whereas the second part is won by Roger Penrose. Roger Penrose won the award for the discovery that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity. Nobel Prize in 2020 in medicine is won by three people. They are Charles M. Rice of America and Harvey J. Alter of America and Michael Huntington of Britain. They all are awarded Nobel Prize for their invention of the hepatitis C virus, which contribute to development of medicine. Nobel Prize in Chemistry 2020 was won by two people. They are Jennifer A. Doudna of America and Emmanuel Carpenter of France. They won the award for developing a method for genome editing. And 2020 Nobel Prize in Economics is also won by two people. They are Paul R. Milgrom and Robert W. Wilson. They belongs to America. They won the Nobel Prize for improvements to auction theory and inventions of new auction formulas. These are the ones who won Nobel Prize in 2020. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, like the video, share the video if you like it. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video.